Introducing the Carport solar structure system, a meticulously crafted product by Megan Solar. This mounting solution offers a tilt angle ranging from 5 to 60 degrees, providing optimal solar panel positioning. Whether in portrait or landscape orientation, the system, arranged in rows, caters to various installation preferences. Made from high-strength aluminium, it incorporates pre-assembled parts to minimise labour costs and installation time. Known for its impressive corrosion resistance, this material ensures durability and allows the product to withstand substantial loads, including snow loads of 1.4 kN per square metre and winds of up to 198 km per hour. System's waterproof design guarantees protection of vehicles from elements. To underscore product's quality, we offer a 12-year warranty. Megan Solar ranks among the top 10 solar mounting system suppliers in China, upheld by strict quality control principles. We are committed to delivering top-notch mounting systems and excellent after-sale services, ensuring our products consistently meet the highest standards.